Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. Cho's Tech Tips. Remote teaching can be very challenging, especially for teachers who rely on whiteboards. Today, we're going to take a look at how to use your iPad as a whiteboard replacement when you're teaching remote class on Zoom. So let's take a look. Once you are in your Zoom meeting, go to the Zoom window and select Share Screen from the bottom of the Zoom window. Now you can select to connect your device to Zoom using AirPlay wirelessly or using a cable. My iPad is connected to my computer using a cable, so I'm going to select iPhone, iPad via cable. Click on Share. It's going to give you a prompt like this. And on your computer, you should have a similar prompt. Trust this computer or don't trust. So you're going to click on Trust and enter your password. If this prompt doesn't come up on your iPad, you can try to open iTunes, and then that should fix the problem. Now let's take a look at how to share your iPad screen wirelessly. Similarly, you're going to click on Share Screen on the bottom of the Zoom window. And you're going to click on iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. You can click on Share, and it's going to say a plugin is required to share an iPhone or iPad screen. You're going to click on Install. At the meanwhile, you need to make sure that your computer and your iOS device is in the same wireless network. And it's going to give you the prompt. Just follow the prompt, connect to the same wireless network. And then you're going to drag from the top right corner of the screen and tap on screen mirroring. And tap on screen mirroring. And you're going to select on Zoom, whichever your computer's name is. And you should be able to see your screen on your computer as well. Once your iPad is connected to Zoom, you can show anything on your iPad screen to your Zoom class. There are many different apps you can use. For this demonstration, I'm just going to use Notes. Tap on the Notes and open a new note. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can use the Apple Pencil and write all the notes directly in this app. If you don't have an Apple Pencil, you can click on the pencil icon and then click on here. And you can use Draw with Finger. And you can write everything with your finger as well. I switch the background to black. You can also switch your background to white. There's also lines and grids that you can turn on. Sometimes, for whatever reason, you might have difficulties connecting your iPad to your Zoom meeting. If that is the case, we can have a backup plan. You can download Zoom on your iPad and join your Zoom meeting with a different ID. Here, I joined to this meeting with a different account. So you have account A on your computer, and you have the second account, account B, on your iPad. You can make yourself as co-host. After that, you can share your screen on your iPad and select on whiteboard. You can use your iPad and use your Apple Pencil to write on the iPad, which is much easier than writing using the mouse on your computer. Alright, so this is how you set up your iPad to use that as a whiteboard on your Zoom remote classes. I hope this is helpful. If you have any other suggestions or questions, please leave that in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.